Ma'am, this is for you from their side. Please.
Thank you.
I welcome you all. With all respect. So she's Dr. Priyanand, I discussed, right, one of the best masterpiece in legal studies. She knows each and everything, and you can become the marvel once you get the knowledge. Knowledge is one of the best tools ever. Alright. So she's here. Please, ma'am. Train our counselors, tell them what they can do so that they can become an effective. Right.
But she is thinking about the good for the child. If बाकी बच्चे enjoy करेंगे, and this child will miss out on all the fun. So let me give him or her a normal child. वो उसमें से सोच रही है, पर सोच का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है kidnapping में. Your intentions are immaterial. They may be the most honest, the most pious intention, but you have not taken the permission of the lawful guardian. और यही अगर lawful guardian पहले से, it could be the child is in boarding. And lawful guardians will पहले एक form sign कर दिया that we do come across cases that such and such incident happened with me in my childhood. Now in a criminal law, there is no bar, there is no limitation on when you can if they are playing the music.
I think she deserves a clap. Continuously, very good. And after watching with him questions and queries, I think this is what it was badly required for you all for your good mental diet. Right? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Really, एक सेल्फी ले लीजिएगा वहाँ से सभी आ जाएंगे.